Well, folks, here we go. For those that don't know, trailer and car have not been touched since about 2005. So just dug this thing out of the backyard and figured some of you might want to watch the resurrection. So let's see what we got. For those that don't know, this is my 62 Volkswagen drag car. This car won the 2001 PRA Super Gas Championship, barely. Some extremely tough competition. John Sugar, Muffler Mike, Don Brown, Richie, probably forgetting a couple, but we're going to try to roll it out of here, start resurrecting it.